What happens when you start eating foods high in vitamin K every day? Vitamin K is considered to be a fat-soluble vitamin, which is present in the intestines of the human body. The most vital role that this vitamin plays is in controlling blood clotting and preventing blood loss during injury. It also helps in assisting the absorption of calcium content from food, which helps in the formation and maintenance of healthy bones. Vitamin K deficiency. A vitamin K deficiency is usually found in infants since the placenta is not a very good carrier of this nutrient, thereby resulting in the development of conditions like vitamin K deficiency bleeding. A vitamin K deficiency can easily turn into osteoporosis or a serious heart condition. Vitamin K consists of a group containing 2-methyl-naphthoquinone derivatives. The three notable forms of this vitamin are K1, phytonadione, phylloquinone, phytonadione, K2, menaquinones, which is formed by natural bacteria present in the intestines, and K3, menadione. What happens when you start eating foods high in vitamin K every day? The health benefits of vitamin K include a healthy heart, prevention of osteoporosis, relief from menstrual pain, reduced risk of cancer, protection from internal bleeding, prevention of biliary obstruction, and reduced menstrual flow. 1. Prevents osteoporosis. Vitamin K plays a key role in preventing osteoporosis and loss of bone mineral density, according to Dr. Deborah Pearson of the University of Wisconsin-Green Bay. The intake of leafy vegetables, collard greens, broccoli, spinach, Brussels sprouts, and lettuce, all of which are rich in this vitamin, helps prevent the signs and symptoms. Even cow milk is a good and rich source of this vitamin and helps in improving bone mineral density. The major symptom of osteoporosis is the reduction of bone density. It typically occurs after the age of 50 and is found in many postmenopausal women. The bone attains maximum strength and density by the time an individual's age reaches 20 to 30. This peak time, the bone building starts to wane and the bone mineral density reduces. 2. Reduces blood clotting. Vitamin K helps in the regulation of blood clotting by transporting calcium around the body. It plays a key role in the amalgamation of prothrombin that happens at the time of injury due to the tears in blood vessels. Protein Z helps in enhancing the action done by thrombin so as to promote an association with phospholipids that are present in cell membranes. It further helps in treating myelodysplastic syndromes. This vitamin also increases blood circulation in tissues and peripheral bodies. Osteoporosis and sarcopenia also show a link between vitamin K and platelet aggregation. 3. Improves heart health. Vitamin K is a strong inhibitor of arterial calcification. It prevents calcium deposition on the heart walls and reduces the risk of heart attacks and strokes. Dr. Katarzyna Marash, President and Scientific Coordinator of International Science and Health Foundation in Krakow, Poland, says, an increased intake of vitamin K2 could be a means of lowering calcium-associated health risks. 4. Reduces excessive menstrual flow. Vitamin K deficiency can lead to a woman experiencing excess menstrual bleeding. Therefore, intake of adequate amounts of vitamin K is important and will reduce the blood flow. 5. Anti-cancer potential. Vitamin K supplements are known to prevent tumor growth in cancer patients as per research published by Fan XV, Dalian Medical University, Dalian, Liaoning. 6. Prevents internal bleeding. Vitamin K helps in reducing the threat of bleeding in the liver, poor nutrient absorption, jaundice, or the combination of the long-term use of antibiotics or aspirin. Some of the problems associated with the gastrointestinal system due to a decrease of this vitamin include obstructions, sprue, Crohn's disease, and colitis. These are due to the reduced content of this vitamin. 7. Improves cognitive health. As per a 2013 study, published in the journal Neurobiology of Aging, vitamin K plays a very important role in brain development and improving cognitive function. It is also responsible for preventing degenerative conditions among older people by improving their episodic memory. 8. Decreases menstrual pain. Vitamin K helps in regulating the menstrual cycle by ensuring the optimal functioning of the hormones, helps in reducing the associated menstrual pain. 9. Relieves nausea during pregnancy. Pregnant women suffering from vomiting and nausea are often deficient in vitamin K. This vitamin intake will show good results by providing relief in less than 72 hours and preventing mild forms of these symptoms in the future. 10. Prevents hemorrhaging in babies. This vitamin is injected into newborn to prevent hemorrhaging. Oral intake of vitamin K through drops is also helpful for asthmatic children. 11. Prevents biliary obstruction. Prolonged treatment with oral antibiotics causes biliary obstruction, celiac disease, regional enteritis, and ulcerative colitis, and is made even worse due to a deficiency of vitamin K. Therefore, regular intake of this vitamin can prevent these complications from occurring. 12. Protects the immune system. In order to boost vitamin K levels, the intake of young coconut kefir, cocoa biotic, raw cultured vegetables, milk kefir, liquid spirulina by a human body can be very beneficial. This will help in increasing the content of this vitamin and protect the digestive and immune systems. 13. Regulates blood sugar. Vitamin K plays an important role in regulating blood sugar levels and reducing the risk of developing diabetes, as per a research published in the journal Diabetes Care. It is believed that vitamin K supplementation is more effective in preventing diabetes among older men when compared to women. Foods high in vitamin K. 1. Green leafy vegetables. When it comes to high levels of vitamin K, not many things are better than green leafy vegetables. They deliver an average of more than 400 micrograms in half a cup. That is more than 4 times the typical recommendation per day. 2. Prunes. 1 cup of prunes offers 104 micrograms of vitamin K, which is just over 100% of your daily requirement, using 100 micrograms as the average recommendation. 3. Dried basil. Dried basil not only has high levels of antioxidants and essential minerals, but it also contains approximately 45% of your daily requirement in each teaspoon. 4. Kale. One of the green leafy vegetables with the most vitamin K, a single cup of kale offers more than 1,100% of our daily requirement in this nutrient. 5. Avocado. There are 21 micrograms of vitamin K in every 100 grams of avocado, roughly 20% of the intake you need each day. 6. Cucumber. This popular vegetable contains roughly 60% of the daily requirement for vitamin K in one medium-sized cucumber. 7. Brussels sprouts. A single serving of Brussels sprouts contains more than 240% of the daily requirement for vitamin K. 8. Swiss chard. Despite only have 36 calories per serving, Swiss chard will deliver more than 600% of the recommended vitamin K intake per day. Vitamin K dosage. Generally, there is not an upper limit on the amount of vitamin K one can consume per day. Although the exact amount may vary based on age and gender, most people are recommended to consume between 75 and 120 micrograms of vitamin K each day. Note, when people take vitamin K in supplement form, there have been limited reports of allergic reactions. It's best to stick to food sources of vitamin K. Always talk to your doctor before taking it in supplement form.